It was smiles all around in the Nasfund boardroom this afternoon as Chairlady Tamsin Wardley, flanked by Nasfund CEO Rajiv Sharma and outgoing Nasfund CEO Ian Tarutia, made the announcements.
And include a net asset value of 6.3 billion kina and a net profit after tax of 256 million for the year ended 31 December 2022. Based on these results, the Nasfund board approved an interest crediting rating of 4.3% for the 22 financial year in the board meeting this morning. In the coming days, over 260 million kina will be allocated into over 650,000 member accounts.
The result is good news for Nasfund members with an expected payout in the coming days.
And translating into the crediting rate that has just been announced, 4.3%, but in terms of the kina value that's going into members' accounts, we're about 260 million kina. So against the, these economic challenging times, and we know what it is, we all see it and feel it every day. At least for our members, they can be comforted that their retirement savings, their nest eggs, continues to grow.
Nasfund CEO Rajiv Sharma gave an outline of the main highlights for the financial year ending 2022.
In this year, we had valuation losses of 93 million kina, which was 40 million of FX loss and 53 million of loss on international equities, which equates to 1.55% of the crediting rate. So if we add on 1.55 on 4.3, which we have declared, so we reach about 5.85% of the crediting rate in the normal circumstances. Expenses 73 million kina compared to budget of 74 million kina. Net profit before valuation was 349 million against budget of 311 million. And after tax 256, and because of valuation loss, basically we go down to 256.
Despite the levy imposed on banks, the superfund has done well. Although the levy has affected member payouts, the overall outlook is positive. With the Papua LNG feed process now underway, it's not all doom and gloom.
As you know, the imposition of the levy on the BSP has been one of our best performing investments. Any shareholder in Papua New Guinea that has BSP as part of their investment portfolio have always benefited from the performance in terms of cash dividends and stability of their stock value. So that's been one of those that's affected our returns. Then of course there's been movement on the foreign exchange, which also impacted on the return.
The Nasfund Investment Division team will be actively pursuing and assessing opportunities in the 2023 financial year, while remaining vigilant in monitoring the market conditions and adjusting its investment strategies to ensure maximizing returns for its members while managing the risks. Rocky Iso, National EMTV News.